Hey YouTube, this is my wind-up deck. It is for sale. I'm actually quitting the game, so I just decided to sell everything. If you haven't seen my trade binder before, it states everything. So here we go. Playset of Shark, a playset of Rabbit Supers, um, Rats, Triple Magician, uh, two Tour Guides is a super, Sangan common, two Thunder Kings common, two Valor super, and Gores is a black rare. The spells, common factories, Reborn, Dark Hole, Heavy Storm, Avarice, Triple MST. The traps, Gold Rare, Solemn, Super Warnings, Once Rental, Common, Compose, Common Bottomless, and Common G-Prism. The side deck, or the extra deck, is one Carrier, Ultra, one Zen Main, Super, Ultra Levier, Giga, Soul Silver Mountain, a Secret Rare Leviathan Dragon, Super, Tempo, Super Shockmaster, Abyss Driller, Papillomi, Zenmeister, Super Roach, and Starfoil Tyrus Nadris. The side deck is two Super Maxis, two Super DD Crows, one common, one rare Snowman Eater, Gemini Ant, one Nobleman, triple D Fissure, one secret, the other two are common, one System Down common, Shadow Imprisoned Mirror, double Phoenix Chain, and Ultra Royal Decree. Everything's just like I said, for sale. I'm quitting the game. So yeah, y'all just make offers on the deck. I know almost everything is lowest rarity, but just make offers. So yeah.